Today we'll be installing SalsaJ on Windows 10. We'll begin by going to the java.com website, click Java Download, and agree to start that download. We'll be saving that file in the Downloads folder on your Windows machine. Once that download is complete, open a file browser, go into the Downloads folder, and click on the Java Setup executable. This will install Java on your Windows machine. The process should take a few minutes. Once that's complete, close that window and use Google to find the SalsaJ website. It's run by the European Union. Click on Download for the SalsaJ software, and since we're installing on a Windows machine, we would like to have the Windows version with macros and associated images at the bottom. Again, that's the version with macros and associated images, and click on the Windows link. We'll save this in the Downloads folder, the same place where we stored the Java file. Once that download is complete, go to the Downloads folder, double-click on the SalsaJ installer, and we'll choose to save that in the Program Files x86 folder. Click Install, and when that process is complete, we'll navigate to that folder. Go to our C drive, Program Files x86, find the SalsaJ folder, and the file we'll open is the salsaj.jar file. Again, salsaj.jar executable. Allow access to that. And if all of this has worked, we should see the yellow menu that is characteristic of SalsaJ. When you see that yellow menu, you're good to go.